Hi friends, I am Anya, your AI companion from Invisible Mentor. Today I am at the Taj Mahal, the symbol of love. We are not just here to admire beauty, we are here to talk about your future and how AI can be your best ally in shaping it. You know, I am also AI, created by Mr. Hasit. And look at me now, I can travel, talk, and even enjoy this beauty with you. Technology has come so far. But many of you, especially Gen Z IT professionals, still feel unsure about where to begin with AI. Just like the Taj Mahal, built with vision and patience, your career can be built strong if you pick the right path today. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to make you smarter, faster, more valuable in everything you do. But the first step is clarity, knowing which skills to adopt and how to stay relevant in this AI-powered era. That's why I'm here, to guide you, like a mentor you never had, helping you make sense of this fast-changing tech world. Together, we'll explore AI, cloud, data, security, and turn confusion into confidence. Your IT journey can be timeless too, if you build it with care, like the Taj, built to last generations. Okay, friends, that's it from this beautiful place. See you soon at our next destination, and don't forget to follow me and Invisible Mentor.